Good morning, hikers! Woo! We got some brave souls out here today. We are up bright and early, hitting the connector route. We're going from Monticello, down that way, to Brooklyn Wildlife Center, down that way. All right,
Here we go.
should be good.
What are we gonna do?
Let's do it. Come on.
What are we doing?
Touch it. Connect the dots. Boom. All right. What are we doing today?
Get off the couch.
Hey. 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 How's it going, Matt?
Hey, it's darn cold out here today.
Yeah, I think it's darn cold too.
It's so cold my glasses froze to my face.
Oh my gosh. I can't get mine off.
I took mine off because they were frozen.
It is a beautiful day. Glad we're doing this. What will this be for you?
This will be about 350 miles.
Woo!
Mine is
Baby.
7 today.
So, what does this do for you when we hit that other spot and we close up Monticello?
This will be closing about a 300-mile gap in the trail.
Nice. Very cool. Congratulations. Bump! All right. Woo! This is it. Woo! Nice. Woo! Hughes Road.
That's all right.
10 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
Ah! There it is. Let's go hit the side. Woohoo! Connector done. Yes. Woo! All right, guys, how did we do?
Great.
We made great time today. It was just awesome. And very cold though. Not for the beginner. All right, guys, let's go. Good morning, hikers!
Morning.
Woo! We are crazy dedicated people hiking the Ice Age Trail today. We just did a connector route that way, and now our awesome group is going down that way. Woo! You guys ready? All right, let's go. What are we doing today?
Getting off the couch.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Let's go. Moo. 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 Hey! 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 Wow, you guys caught on quick. What a day! What a day! What a day! What a day! Woo! Woo! Newbie video number 1 today. Woo! And who do we have here?
This is Carl.
Carl, how are you? Welcome to the trail.
Hi.
Hi. So, what do you think about our brisk morning?
Beautiful.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Don't even need the hat hardly.
There it is. Woo! Gotta have that hat.
What's that? Only 6 below. Right.
And only 6 below. So, what brings you to the trail?
Well, I'm just gonna get outside and keep myself moving, get off the couch.
There you go. Nice. And how many miles have you hiked on the Ice Age Trail? Any idea? Or are you just starting out?
Just starting. I've done some Catamaran here and there and some other places that may have been Ice Age Trail.
Okay, cool.
Janesville, of course, has it, and I've walked a lot of that, but not especially because of the Ice Age Trail. I just hiked it and it was there.
Nice. All right. Well, we hope that you can join us more and get more of those miles in.
That sounds good.
All right, man. Thanks, Carl. Good to meet ya.
You too.
What'd you do today?
What did I do today? I got off the couch.
There it is. So there's our route going to the tunnel, which is closed, by the way. So we just did the connector, which was a really nice roundabout on the connector route. So glad to be back on the trail. Look at these guys, such dedication. Oh, here's the trail. It's a little chilly out. Beautiful. Welcome to the trail.
Thanks.
And who do we have here?
My name is Melissa.
Melissa, welcome to the Ice Age Trail Get Off the Couch group.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Good to
welcome.
be out here.
Yes. How many miles have you done so far?
Oh gosh.
I know you're an Ice Age Trail.
On the Ice Age Trail? I
Yeah.
don't know. I've not totaled it up.
Are you a 1,000-miler wannabe?
I would like to be. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Well, then you are.
Yep. I've
Yep.
pretty much done all the trails in Dane County.
Nice. Dang, man. You get it?
And like surrounding areas. I've been out to Whitewater a bunch. So yeah, it's just really this past maybe 6 months that I've gotten into it.
Sweet. Very cool. Well, we've been doing this for about a year now. And we got quite a few miles in. So
Awesome. Yep.
we're so happy you joined us today.
I'm happy to be here.
All right. And what'd you do today?
Today, I
Yeah.
got off the couch
Yes.
and I, hiked the Monticello segment of the Ice Age Trail.
There it is.
Woo-hoo!
Woohoo. Boom. Congratulations, hikers! Woo! So exciting. Oh, I'm exhausted. All right, so guys, how was it?
Awesome!
All right, that connector route wasn't so bad, right?
No.
Around the tunnel.
Temperatures. How cold is it?
How cold is it?
Last time I checked, it was about 18.
18.
It went up.
Woo!
But we started like about 5 or 7.
That's balmy compared to what we started with this morning. All right, guys. Great job, everybody. I'm so excited. Very proud of you all. And let's get to our next route next weekend. And what are we going to do then?
Get off the couch!
Yeah, I'm going to go on the couch right now.